What's up, you guys? This is your friend Glam Girl Megha. This is a part 2 of the vlog, wherein in the first vlog, that was my first vlog that I made on my channel, wherein I shopped from Crawford Market in Mumbai. So this is a part 2 of the vlog wherein I'll show you what are the things that I brought, and I have got so many things. And here is also another bag. So let's get into the video because we have to see so many things. I have a huge bag. So first let's start. This was the bag that I bought. You can see I had not carried any bag because I wanted to purchase a new bag, a shopping bag, because every time I go for shopping I don't have a big bag, and I always, we girls, we tend up over shopping. So this was the bag that I bought. First thing, it's like a rainy bag. The material is rainy bag. I'll just remove everything else to you. You can see this is such a huge bag, and it has got, you can keep your entire world in this. That's an exaggeration of the statement. Okay. However, this retails only for 100 rupees. So that was a great deal. This was the first purchase that I made, and I'm very happy because now every time that I have to shop, I don't have to carry anything else apart from this. So this was only for 100 rupees. Firstly, I'll just share all the clothing things that I bought, and then I'll show you the most interesting thing, that is the jewelry. There are few curtains that I bought. This is like a home shopping thing. This is the curtains that I bought for my house, and also you might see in the future videos I might shoot. So this is a curtain, beautiful red pink kind of a color. It's a long curtain, a door curtain and window curtain. So this initially he quoted I guess 450 rupees for each. I said I'm not gonna pay that much to you. In Crawford Market, make sure you bargain. Bargaining is the key. They might quote you 500,000. You will have to tell them 500 if it is 1,000, and if it is 500 you can say them 200. So I bought this only for 200 rupees. One piece is for 200 rupees. I bought this 2 sets, and the other color I bought is this dark navy blue color. Pattern is same, only the color is different. This is a beautiful blue color. So again 2 sets, each is for 200 rupees. So this was a great purchase. And so the next thing that I bought is the home shopping again. It's the glasses set. I'll just show it to you. I was running short of glasses. So this is the one. See, and this is from the brand Sanjeev Kapoor. If you can see this, it's from the brand Sanjeev Kapoor. I just love it. They are so thick, and it is a pack of 6 glasses. This I got only for, you won't believe, this I got only for 400 rupees. Pack of 6 glasses, and they are very strong. They are not that Girna wala glass material. This is very strong glass for juices, or if I have any guest at my place, and my husband loves to have water in such glasses. I don't know why, but he loves. So this was a great purchase. 6 glasses set only for 400 rupees, and this was from the brand Sanjeev Kapoor. So that was a great purchase. You'll have to bargain. He quoted me 700. I said no, I'm not going to give 700, and he was saying 500. I said no, I'm not going to give 500. 400 is the maximum that I can give. Then he said yes, fine. So that was a great purchase. And the next purchase, you guys are going to love it. You must have seen it already somewhere. These are the cute emojis that we see on WhatsApp, Instagram. So I've got some pillows. This one is the first one that I bought. I guess I bought 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces I bought. They quoted me 100 or 200 rupees each. Okay, this is the first one, which is a cute one. I guess I'm matching with them today because of the colorful t-shirt that I'm wearing. Next one is this Rutadu, which is me crying for small things. So this is me. And this one is the cute one. That is one of my favorite emoji. And this next one, I'll just share it with you. This one, big smile. And last one. So this is the only emojis that he had. If he had more, we would have purchased more. So these are the 5 pieces we bought. He quoted 200 for each. So 5 into 200, it would be 1000 rupees. I said no. I just left the place. If you don't like anything, be typical. You know, we Indians, what we do, we just start walking. Then they will call, Madam Ji, Ban Ji, idhar aao. And that's what he did. That's the trick, you know, of we Indians. And then he said, 100 ka ek leke jao. I said, please pack kar do fatafat, before he changes his decision to give that to me. So this was a great purchase I made. I'm very happy with this. I wanted them from so long. I've seen these things on Meesho, Amazon, but after reading the reviews, the quality was not good. But this one, the quality is really nice. They have got a zip as well, and also you can hang them. So if you want to hang them, you can also hang them. So this is the best thing. If I want to hang anywhere, you know, in my house, I can do that. So that's the best thing. And the material is super soft, and the stitching is also very good for this. So I really like this purchase that I made. I bought 5 pieces, 500, not for 1000. And last but not the least, what is left, the favorite thing of all of them, is the jewelry that I purchased. So let's first start with the necklaces that I bought. There are 3 necklaces that I bought. This is the first one. It's so beautiful golden with a black detailing. You can wear it on any dress, or even for that matter on a, yeah, you can wear it on a dress. And if you have a V-neck t-shirt, you can definitely wear this. This will look very pretty. He quoted me this for 250. I'm not going to pay 250 for this thing. Then he said, Madam, mat jao. Again I started walking, the usual thing that I do. And I said I can give only 100 for this. And I got this in 100. So a great purchase. And from that same guy, I got this one. You'll see it in the vlog. This is the cutest, with the little hearts on it. Can you see this? They are the cutest one. You need to wear a little low neck so that you can show off this necklace. This was again for 100 rupees. I really like this. I'm a fan of copper jewelry, silver jewelry, not a big fan of gold jewelry. So this is a good purchase that I made, I guess. This was again for 100 rupees. And the next one is this. This is a choker necklace. It was a set, okay. There was this one uncle's thela, wherein everything was only under 100 rupees. And if you buy it on any Instagram store, or for that matter from Meesho, Flipkart, Amazon, this will be definitely for 250 or 300 rupees. I got it only for 100. And this set includes earrings as well. I'll just show it to you. So these are the earrings, beautiful red earrings, and this is the choker. You will have to tie it. I purposely bought a multicolor one because then this is going to suit everything that you may wear. So this is the only for 100 rupees along with the earrings. They are beautiful earrings. And if you're saying it's 100 rupees and the material must not be good, but that is not the case. It's very good material, very sturdy. The finish is good. Then the next thing that I bought is this beautiful bangles. You can see this. La 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 la. I love bangles. I love copper jewelry, and silver jewelry are my favorite. So these are beautiful bangles with plain bangles in between, and then they have that kadas. I just love them. I saw them, I just wanted to pick them up, and it was only for 100 rupees. This set is only and only for 100 rupees. If you want, I'll just wear it and I'll show it to you. How does it look? Because I can't wait to wear them. Though this dress is not appropriate to wear, it's okay, you know. So this is the thing that I bought. I just love it. The next thing that I bought from that same uncle is this beautiful necklace. This was for 200 rupees. Initially quoted 300, but I said, uncle, itna le liya, abhi kuch to kam karo price. So okay, sorry. This is the necklace that I bought. This is so pretty. It's going to look good on even on a plain black t-shirt. This is going to rock your look. If you're wearing a skirt and a plain black t-shirt or a bodycon black t-shirt, and if you pair this Indo-Western look, this is going to look very pretty. This is for 200 rupees because I guess that was worth it, because the material is really good. It has a lot of work. So this was a great purchase again. And the next thing is I bought 2 earrings. Traditional earrings, I have so many and I don't get any chance to wear them because I hardly wear any traditional clothes. Most of the time you will see me wearing Western clothes only. So this is the beautiful earrings that I bought. This was again for 100 rupees. They are so unique. They are going to look so pretty. I was about to wear this, then I thought, no, let me first make the haul, then I'll wear it. How greedy of me. So this is the first one. Second one is, it comes in this kind of a pack. Second one is this beautiful red hoop earrings, and this is of plastic. Again, it's for 100 rupees. They are so unique. You will not, if you find it on any Instagram page, they will definitely, it will be for more than 200 rupees. So this was only for 100 rupees. So I said, please give it to me. The last product for this haul is this hand, what do you call, bracelet. It's like a eagle skin. It's so pretty. You just wear this and it will create a statement of whatever you are wearing. It will go with your traditional or with your Western look as well. This is so pretty in itself. I just like the pokey thing that it has. It's so unique. So that was my haul. That's it. And again, this was for 100 rupees only, and the material is so good. Every jewelry that I bought, the material is bang on. And the uncle's, where the uncle is located, I have mentioned it in my vlog, so do check that out. So this was the best purchase of jewelry that I made. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you all like this video. So if you like this video and if you want more such vlogs to be made, do let me know in the comment section, and do give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. My Instagram handle is the Glam Girl Megha, and please click on the please click on the ring button so that you will be notified whenever there will be a new video. So this is your girl signing off. Bye bye.